Okay, in this video I want to demonstrate how to use your calculator so that you don't mess up calculations using scientific notation and exponents. Now, the first thing I want to do is show you how you would write 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd using the second EE function on your calculator. So you would type 6.02 second EE. That means exponent entry. It means whatever number you put after it, the 6.02 is times 10 raised to that number. So 23. Now, why are we going to do this? I'm going to show you a couple of examples and calculations. Okay, so let's say that we wanted to take another number. Let's try to take 6.02 times 10 to the 23, and let's divide it by, divided by 6.02, and this is the way you may have done this in the past, times 10 caret 23. Now, aren't those supposed to mean the same thing? So shouldn't 6.02 E23 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23 be 1? Aren't they the same value? It just came up with 1 times e to the 46. Now, let me show you what happens if you do it properly. 6.02 second EE23 divided by 6.02 second EE23, you get 1. Now, you can use the caret thingy if you really want to, but it's problematic because you are going to forget to do what I'm going to tell you. But if you really want to use the caret and you don't want to use the exponent entry function, there is a way. So let's take 6.02 second EE23, 23, and now let's divide it, but let's do it in a way, well, without using the EE button. Let's use parentheses. So let's see, parenthesis 6.02 times 10 caret thing 23, close parentheses. Hey, it's 1. That's the correct value. Now, guys, if you understand PEMDAS, you can see what's going on. All right? If you don't put parentheses around 6.02 times 10 to the 23, if you just leave it as 6.02 times 10 to the 23 in the denominator of a division problem, what it will do is it is going to take your value on top, divide it by 6.02, and then multiply it by 10 to the 23rd. That's why we ended up with 1 times 10 to the 46, which is what 1E46 means when we did it the lousy way with no parentheses around the 6.02 times 10 caret 23. Now, if you listen to me and you always use the exponent entry to put in all your scientific notation with powers of 10, not only will it be faster than sticking in parentheses and all these other numbers all over, you will never forget to put in the parentheses and you will always get the right answer.